Hello everyone, welcome back to Doodle Dollars. This is Courtney and today we are going to be doing our Tiny Tuesdays. These are what I use to stuff my sinking funds. Y'all, I'm still waking up. Oh my gosh. So we have $30 here. That is a standard for what I bring on Tiny Tuesdays. And we're just gonna start rolling. So how are y'all doing? I hope your Tuesday's going well. I slept in this morning, which, felt amazing. It was so nice. And I don't have anything really going on today, so I'm just gonna use it as like a rest day / I'm gonna get some stuff ready for my shop, which I will be reopening this week. And I'm gonna have a lot of the stuff that I had previously, but I'm working on, I have like a few new scratch offs that I wanna post and yeah, some other stuff that I wanna create. So just kind of revamp it and reassess, but I'm gonna post a code for y'all to have access to everything at a discounted rate for basically forever. So keep an eye out for that. I'll post that in my community tab. Also, oh my gosh, we hit 900 subscribers, guys. I think I'm at like 905 now. So thank you all so much. To those of you who have subscribed, if you're new here, please say hi so I can get to know you and say thank you for subscribing. I so appreciate all of you who are so supportive of my channel and who comment. I just love interacting with you guys. So thank you so much. I'm so excited. I can't believe it. Okay. So let's get started. Ooh, this one got a lot. Okay, so this one is by Happy Budgeting Mom. And we have $1, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is exactly what we needed. And so we have 9 total. So this one is done. All right, so one challenge done. That was challenge number 1. Challenge number 2 is by Beth at 6 Girls Budget. 1, 2, 3. So we can cross off one of these butterflies and we're gonna put one like this to remind ourselves that we have an extra one here. I'll link all of these channels below, guys, so you can go check out their channels and check out their Ko-fis. All right, this one just needed $1. So this one is by Vicky Thinks. And she has a bunch of these little springtime tinies. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me just fill in the other half of this heart. Buddy's over there playing with his tower. It's like a tower with like 3 little balls in it, and he loves to like hit them and they spin around. So cute. Okay, so this one is done as well. Oop. Okay, next, number 4 is my freebie for, this was I think for 200 subbies or 300. 1, 2, 3. Oh no, wait, y'all. I'm so dumb. It had $3 already and we're adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have $3 extra here. And I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take those out and grab a 5. There we go. Okay, so this one is done as well. All right. This is a new one by Stephanie at Overthinking and Budgeting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm going to make each of these 2. So 2, 4. Okay, a little avocado with a heart. So cute. Oh, what am I doing? Oh my goodness, you guys, I'm still so tired. I need more coffee. Do you know, like, when you sleep in, for some reason you feel more tired? You know that feeling? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's like my body finally has a chance to rest. And it's like, we are going to take full advantage of this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so this one, oh, and you know what? We're going to just grab $1 and finish this one too. Because why not? This one is by What's Poppin' Sunshine. I am a member of her Ko-fi. So this was a freebie for members. And it came with a bunch of like different motivational quotes. 1, 2. All right, so this one is done. Guys, I feel like we are completing so many challenges this month compared to last month. I don't know what it is, but I feel like we've been able to already finish more. Maybe it's just in my mind, but but yeah, I feel like we're doing great. So, okay, let's add, we need 2 more to finish this one. So we can 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this one is done as well. So guys, go check out all of these channels. There are so many amazing freebies out there, and I can't even keep up, guys. It's insane. So there's lots of options for like your different, your style and what you prefer. And that's what is so amazing about this community. So that is it, guys, for this video. I will be posting a little freebie for hitting 900. I need to make it. So stay tuned for that. I feel like every time I'm like, I'll have time to make it. Like, I'm not going to hit the next milestone that quickly. And then it's like, oh, actually, that happened really fast. And I am not prepared. So I'll work on making that hopefully today, actually, because I don't really have anything else going on. So, but yeah, thanks for hanging out with me, guys. Thanks for joining me on this Tiny Tuesday. We finished 5 challenges today, so we can put those in our bag. And we will do our little overview at the end of the month. So I hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day. And I will see you tomorrow for our like scratch off binder. So take care, everyone. I'll see you then.